Okay, 6th grade, lesson 33. This one is on writing percents as fractions, part 1. Okay? Now, did you know if I were to show you half of a circle, how would you write that as a fraction?
1/2.
1/2. Very good. Okay? How would I write this as a percent?
50%.
50%. So, we know that a whole circle is 100%, right?
Or square. Yes.
So, half of it would be 50%. Okay? But sometimes we may break it up into 4. And then how much is this in a fraction? How would you write it?
25%.
It is 25.
Oh, and a
1/4, which is 25%. Okay? You're exactly right. Okay? But we're going to be learning how to take it and changing it from a percent to a fraction, or I'm sorry, percent to a fraction or a fraction to a percent. That's what you're going to be learning today. Okay? So the first thing I want you to understand is when you hear the word percent, it means per 100. Percent per 100. A way I can remember that is a cent. How many cents are in a dollar? 100 pennies, right? So percent means per 100. For example, if it was 50%, if I was writing that as a fraction, Eli, it would be 50 per 100. This line can stand for per. So 50% written as a fraction is 50 per 100, or 50 out of 100. Okay?
Yep.
25% is 25 over 100 as a fraction. Of course, then when we reduce it, it becomes 1/4. Okay? So let's try some of these real quick, just kind of see how to do things. Okay? They want us to write 60% as a fraction. What can I do?
It'd be 60 over 100.
60 over 100. 60 per 100, because that's what that percent means. 60 per 100, 60 per 100. Okay? Now, we can't just leave this as it is. It has to be reduced. Do you remember me telling you there was an easy way to reduce? Okay, as I was saying, 60 over 100 is the same thing as 60%, because this means per 100. So 60 over or per 100. Okay? Now, you can't just leave a fraction like this. You have to reduce it. Okay? So what is an easy way to reduce this if it ends in zeros?
Knock them out.
You can just knock them out, which is basically dividing them by 10. Okay? So if I do that, I'm dividing it by 10, because 60 divided by 10 is 6. And 100 divided by 10 is 10. So now the new number is 6/10.
Can you not take out all the zeros and just have 6 over 1?
You can only cross out. If I had 2 zeros up here, I could.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So right now it was 60 over 100, and we crossed those out, which became 6/10. Will that reduce?
Yeah.
What number will go into both 6 and 10?
2.
2. 2 will go into 6.
3 times.
2 will go into 10.
5.
The final answer for 60% changed into a fraction is 3/5. Get how we did that? Let's try one more. Okay? They want us to find what is 4% as a reduced fraction.
4.
How would I write it as a fraction, first of all, starting off?
4 100.
4 over 100. 4 per 100.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can I cross anything out like that easy way? No, that would have been cool, huh? Okay, so what will go into both 4 and 100? 2? Let's just do 2. 2 divides it in half. So what's half of 4? 2. What's half of 100? 50. Will it reduce any more?
Yeah, probably.
2 will go into 2.
1 time.
2 will go into 50. Half the time, half of it, 1/25.
Yeah.
So the answer is 1/25. So 4% as a fraction is 1/25. Got it?
Yep.
That is lesson 33.